VISKOU.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the VISKOU YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick look at HikConnect Team function and the function to assign users and roles within the platform. This is an especially useful tool for businesses and organizations that need multiple people to manage the device and the accounts. This is a quick reminder that HikConnect Team, or HCT for short, is a cloud-based system that helps to organize your devices and connects them to a cloud domain where you can manage and control your devices. This helps the users to efficiently control without the needing for a localized network. But instead of one account handling everything, you can also build a team, add members, and control exactly what each person can do. This ensures better security, accountability, and better workflow. This works by first setting up users and roles. In HikConnect Team, we can first create roles with specific permission. For example, an admin role with full control or a viewer role with read-only access. You can mix and match your permissions with any of the devices that you have had, and you simply add them according to your needs. This way, we can set the responsibilities and it is clear to everyone and no one will have access beyond what they require. And now we will go to the demonstration part of this video where I will show you how to manage and create users and roles for HikConnect Team. Now, for the demonstration part, I will show you how to set up the users and roles for HikConnect Team. If you want to know more on how to set up HikConnect Team for the first time, please refer to our previous videos on the channel. Now, first log in onto the HikConnect site with your HikConnect Team enabled account. Now, after logging in, we will be greeted by the main page, and for this demo, I have added a 7732 NVR, Vision NVR, and also an access control K1T342 model. And when checking the video tab, you can see that we have full control and access to our CCTV channels. And in access control, we have also full access of our 342 control to unlock or lock the door. And now, to assign the users and roles, first go to the triple dot here on the right, and then go to team management, and here we'll arrive at the user management page where we'll be using it to manage your team's users and roles. So here there are basically two main parts of this, which is adding users in this page and managing roles. Basically, users are the team members that you want to add that will have access to this team's resources, such as the video feed and also access points. But the amount of access itself is managed by the team owner itself, and this is where the importance of role comes in. While you can micromanage each person's permissions, roles allow you to simplify the task by batch managing your permissions to a preset. Say, for example, you want to set like a security guard a permission to see the video feed but not adjust other settings, and also restrict access to other devices like access control. You can create a role specifically for that responsibility. This allows the team owner to gradually control each of the team members' access and ensuring no one may have access to more than they should. For now, I'll proceed the process of adding team members and by going through the role management first. As we will going through the role management first, to proceed, select the role management option here and click on it. And as you can see, HCT already has preset roles set up for you, which also have descriptions on what kind of permissions that are allowed. While you cannot edit most of the preset one, you can edit the installer one if you see fit. However, for this case, we will specifically create a new role that is used to only view cameras and nothing else. Now, click the add button here, and here you can customize all kinds of details. But first of all, you must name your role first, and I will set it to security. Then you can also directly copy the permissions and other details from other roles, but for now, we'll just let it be. And then you can also set the effective period and whether the role is active or not. You can also add in your description to make it easier for others that may use this team system to ascribe the role to any person that is suitable. Finally, now onto the permission, and we can see there's a plethora of devices that we can manage, not limited to NVR and access devices that I have currently. As for example, for the video section, there is an option for live view, playback, capture, video download, two-way audio, public view, PTZ control, and operation. For now, I will just set the permission to only allow for live view and nothing else. After setting up your permission, click Add to save this role. Now on to user management. This is where you'll add team members to your team, which is accounted as a user. As you can see, as a team owner, you are set up automatically as the super user with all the access to the functions of the device and features of the system. To add users, click on the Add button on top here, and you must fill out certain details like the first name and the last name. I will save as security team 1, and then you must add an email or phone number that is affiliated with the HikConnect account. For now, I will add in an email that has already been set up. You can also set up the expiry date and active status for this user, and also restrict the concurrent logins. And then for the permission tab, you can set whether the user has access to all resources or is specified by the type of group or resources. But but however, one method that is very specific is to use the role permission. And here, you can set immediately the type of permission without going through the hassle. Like for example, I just want this person to only view live view, so I just select the role that I have created just now, the security one. So after selecting this role, you can click Add to save the user. Now the user is added to the team. If he is using HikConnect app, he will be counted by an invitation to the team. As mentioned before, if the other users are using the HikConnect app, they will be greeted by an invitation which they can agree upon to join. Just agree on the terms and conditions and click on join. And the person is then invited to the team. And after refreshing, the person is able to see the video feed as mentioned before, but however, has not much control beyond it. And as we can see, the SES device that we registered is not seen on the team page. This also goes same for whenever you try to log in under the web service. Like for example, I will log in that account through the web service, and then from here, as you can see, the permission has said that only the video part is allowed for the user and not much else. You can see here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you might try this and experiment with the functions and the permissions that allows you to control what the each team member has access to. Please subscribe to the VISKOU YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.
VISKOU.